Alright, welcome back. Here we go. So today is September 15th. It's day 5, I want to say, of my streaming. I kind of lost track, so I just put day 5 because that is what day I'm on in the Reddit or the Replit 100 Days of Code. Um, for the purposes of this live stream, for the purposes of how much time I have today, and the fact that this hackathon thing I'm working on ends at midnight, I'm gonna go ahead and just skip the lesson. It is a super important lesson, which is if this that if this else that, that's how they named it. But it's just the introduction to conditionals, which are obviously a very important subject in programming. So I'm going to go ahead and save that for tomorrow. It's not like I'm going to need to know the basics of conditionals to continue building this app and get it finished. So I'm going to focus just on that. I don't know why I went to OBS there. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So, here we go. Okay. I think I tweeted out the link earlier. Yes, I did. Okay, cool. Tweeted it out. It's live. It's working. Okay, we're good now. Perfect. One person has joined. 2 people have joined. Fantastic. Welcome, welcome. Okay, make sure to tag everybody. Alright, here, let me go ahead and do that. Okay, cool. Alright, let's get started. So, today I need to finish this app and I need to submit it to the senior software composer community to review it. The hackathon ends in like 6 hours, so we don't have much time. Let's go into my Replit. Okay. So, before I came on to the live stream, I did a little bit of work on this. And before closing up yesterday, where we were at the point of... Alright, let's run this thing. I'll just show you. Alright, here we go. It's loading. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. Cool. So, I made a few changes to the app. I made a few upgrades, I would call them. So, yesterday when I left off, it was just a home screen, or like a content management app screen, home tab, and then there was a transcribe tab. The home tab was the same. You just upload a file, you see your uploaded files here, and that's basically it. You can, like, if you click this, it downloads it again, but it's not really... Yeah, I don't know why you'd want to do that. I guess I should explain, if this is your first time on the stream, I'm doing this virtual hackathon. What I'm trying to build is this personal brand assistant app. So what it'll do is it'll take my, like, either my written notes or my voice notes, and it will transcribe them, then it will summarize them, and then it will turn them into various pieces of content for me. So I will show you where we're at so far. So let's say I choose a file to upload, the new recording. New recording, this is what it sounds like. Hello, my friend. This is a test to see how well the transcription works and how well the event. Okay, so that was just me talking in the audio recording. I'm gonna upload that. It accepts my upload. That's nice. I can go over here to the second tab. I can transcribe it. It'll, for the larger ones, you can see here it's creating a temporary file where it's chunking everything. So like we had temp chunk 0, now we have temp chunk 1. It'll transcribe that and then do temp chunk 2. The thing is, we don't necessarily need to transcribe this again because we have this file here, new recording 7 transcription. Because I've uploaded this same audio many times, but here is the transcription content. Hello, my friend, this is a test, like same exact thing that you just heard on the audio here, right? So transcription works. It says inaudible right here. There was a little like brief point in the audio itself where it just kind of stopped picking up. I don't know why that happened, but everything else did perfectly, so I'm not, yeah, and everything else it has done perfectly, so I'm not gonna get hung up on that. And then you can go in here and summarize it, right? So you see here the new recording 7 transcription summary, but you can see the new recording 7 transcription.txt file. That's the one that we just transcribed in this tab. And then here it's going to ask for your OpenAI API key. So if you have an OpenAI API key, you can just grab that. You can paste it in here, and then you can ask it to summarize for you, and then it'll show you the summary. The text is a test to you evaluate transcription and summarization, involves background noise testing and brief mentions that the Packers, Ravens, Vikings, Mains, and Commanders are winning in various sports events. Okay, cool. Nice, thank you. It might even give you a different result if you type it again. I think that's entirely possible. If you summarize the same thing again, I think it might. You know what would be interesting is this is the summary text now, right? What if I summarize the summary text? Okay, it doesn't really summarize the summary because there's not much you can summarize of that, right? But anyways, this is the app now. This is how it works. It's broken down into these 3 different tabs. These are all working. It's all great. Now, what I want it to do... What do I want it to do? Let's think about this, right? What are we going to implement that makes this more useful here? Let's see. Let's think about it. From here, I want this to be like a social media, just like a content machine, you know? Like, just imagine I can take like a 1-minute voice memo, 2-minute voice memo, 5-minute voice memo, or even just like a conversation between myself and my friends, break it down, and then turn it into a series of like, or just like create a bunch of tweets out of it, or create a bunch of LinkedIn posts out of it. That might be pretty useful. Okay, so let's see, where are we going here? Let's go and define what we want, right? So I want a tab just like I have this summarize thing. I want to have a tab that takes um, that takes in the transcription and how do we want to frame it, you know? um I huh okay, maybe we should just push and see what the AI can do, right? Okay, let's just push and see what the AI can do. So here, first I want it to create like a new page, you know, create a new summarized page like this. Okay. Here, but the page will be called content. So create a new content page with the toggle between home, transcribe, summarize pages. Use allow. Okay, create drop down allowing user to select from any of the transcription txt outputs. Create input window saying allowing user to enter a number followed by the words Twitter/X posts, where they can select how many Twitter posts they want to create out of the transcript. Okay, let's see if it's able to do that, because that's 3 instructions that I'm not sure how clear they are, and I don't know how well they'll work, right? So let's see. Okay, so I see the content list, but I don't actually see the list. Summarize files. Okay, so error loading file list, error loading transcription list, error loading summary list, error loading content list. Oh, nice. Okay, so we have the content management here. Okay. I mean, yes, but this is not what I want. Well, it kind of is. It kind of is, actually. It kind of is. It kind of is. Yes. Yes. Okay, so let's just say yes. Okay? It is working now. I think it's all the data is probably hooked up, you know. Nope, 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 nope. Error loading summary content. Okay. No. No, actually, not good. That's my mistake. I should have done more checks. Yeah. Okay, I should have done more checks. Because this stuff is actually not working, right? Yeah. No. All this stuff is actually not showing up. You can only see the lists of the items, but you cannot see the content. I don't think I should roll it back here, but I think I should consider... Okay, let's see. See, now we're entering kind of dangerous territory because we have no sense of how to debug, but at the same time, this thing is not working how we want. So, bit of a dicey situation. Can we access the transcription and summary content for existing files? Okay, maybe we can now. Okay, nice. Okay. Nice, okay. So for the content pane, we are still getting errors. Let's see. Adding a new route to handle requests for content details. Okay. Alright, let's see. Okay. Cool. Well, okay, that might make sense. File is not text-based. Okay, cool. Cool, yes, now I can. Thank you. Alright, well, let's test everything first. Let's not make the same mistake again. Alright, let's test here. Okay. 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 Right, so now we can see exactly what we did, right? We have the new recording 7 transcription right here. Then we have the new recording 7 transcription summary right here. Then we have the summary of that summary, which obviously, like, how short can you summarize a summary? This, like this, right? So, okay, cool. So far so good, right? Yes, okay. Now let's save this version so we can roll back here if we need to. Cool, so we won't deploy yet. Okay, now I'm gonna add back the instruction about the Twitter thing. Create input window in content tab, allowing user to enter a number of Twitter posts they want to create based on the selected content. Allow them to select only one piece of content followed by a number and output a series of tweets under 280 characters using the OpenAI API key provided by the user to craft tweets based on the content in the transcription selected. Is that too complicated? Am I just over complicating this? Like, is it a simple ask? Okay, implement Twitter post generation feature on content page. So, this should be what I want. Is the Twitter post generation feature visible and functional on the content page? Let's see. Generate Twitter post. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's do this. Okay. Let's put in my OpenAI API key. Okay, here we go. I think I had this exact same issue on the summarize page earlier. I think it just is implementing the old version or just implementing it in an old way or something. But it fixes it. Guys, I'm going to win my fantasy matchup. This is big. My team needed it. I lost last week. Okay. Let's see now. Untitled notebook transcription summary. Okay. Generated Twitter post from this. Nope. Incorrect API key. Interesting. Probably because I posted the error after that. Yeah, duh. Nice. Okay, so it is making tweets off of mine. Nice. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, what if I do this one? Ah, damn. Okay. Wait, hold on. Testing background noise for transcription and summarization is crucial for accuracy. Meanwhile, the Packers, Ravens, Vikings, Maines, and Commanders are dominating their respective sports events. Stay tuned for more updates. Okay, nice. Okay. Hey, man. Look. It's not going to be perfect on the first try, but we have tweets. Alright, let's... I mean, we can do a character count if we want this to... okay, hold on. Let's see. It's telling me everything that it's done so far. Good. Alright. But, okay, let's do a quick character count here. Okay. Okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Alright, that's good. Quick character count tool. Alright, maybe I'll just go to X. I mean, it doesn't look like it's over, but I think okay, whatever, it's fine, it's fine. You know what I'm thinking though? Why do we need to do the summary? Why don't we just do the long one? Why don't we just do the long like yeah, long post. Boom. Dive deep into the world of Vipassana meditation with insights from Dr. Fleischman. Discover how observing bodily sensations can lead to inner peace and mindfulness in the midst of chaos. Learn about the profound impact of ethical living, meditation practice, and realization on mental and physical well-being. Embrace the transformative power of generosity and the interconnectedness of all beings. Find equanimity by understanding okay. Well, this is definitely longer. Let's see if this is too long or how many chars this is. Only the first 280 characters. How many is this? Why doesn't it tell me? Okay, well, definitely over 280. Nice. 280 needs to be the max, my friend. Okay. Allow user to input how many Twitter posts they want to be created. Create a text box. Input to allow users to say how many Twitter posts they want to be created. Create a drop down of various options expressing different styles and tones. Authoritative storytelling, professional, casual, witty, funny. Educational, inspirational. I don't know. I'm just throwing stuff out here. Create a drop down for the type of post. Okay, this is what it should be: educational, inspirational. Authoritative story. Okay, that's good. Ensure all posts are under 280 characters. Okay, cool. Okay, let's see if it has the new fields. Okay, number of sentences. No, my friends. Content type. No, this is not what I want at all. Okay, so this is clearly not what I want. I guess it's a fucking prompting issue. User will input how many Twitter posts will be created. User will input content style. Drop down will include these styles. Professional, casual, witty, funny. User will input user will input post type. Drop down will include these types. All posts must be under 280 characters. Pass these parameters to the OpenAI API. Alright, let's see if that gives us what we want. Oh my goodness, you've hit the usage limit for the agent. That is unbelievable. Okay. Well. Alright, guys. That sucks. I've hit the usage limit. Okay, I guess I gotta stop here and then I'll come back in like an hour. Or 2 hours. It says 2 hours. I'll come back in 2 hours. Okay. I'll be back.